Hi Nancy, this is Spencer from Prime Mercedes in Scarborough, Maine. Behind me is the vehicle you inquired about. This is our 2015 E350 4MATIC wagon. This comes in a black metallic with a brown leather interior. Just under $70,000 MSRP. So a fantastic deal on the vehicle. What's great about this car is it's a certified pre-owned Mercedes. So you have a unlimited mileage warranty until July 18th, 2020, and you can upgrade that to July 18th, 2022. That's unlimited miles. You could drive this car to the moon and back in that time frame, and you're covered. So a few things about this vehicle I want to point out. Up front here, you'll see this is a sport edition, so you have your star right in the middle of the grille there, and you'll see along this bumper are parking sensors. That's a part of our PARKTRONIC system. It's an upgrade that comes with this vehicle. It's a great option. As we move along the side of the car, we'll see that sport package continued. Those 5-spoke AMG wheels, perforated front discs, and then coming along the side of the car, we have chrome along our window frames, and then around the back, we have our wraparound LED tail lights, our 350 and 4MATIC badging. That 4MATIC designates our all-wheel drive system. To open up the trunk, you can hold down on your key fob like so. This does have a third row seat option for the back, so we get a nice little addition there. There is a weight restriction on the seats, but it's a great option, and if it's something that you're not interested in using, all you have to do is close it like this, and then the next one closes like this as well. And look at that, we have a flat trunk, lots of storage space. Those rear seats fold down as well. When we want to close up the trunk, all we have to do, press that button just like that. The trunk tailgate closes automatically for you. Now, before we get into the interior, one thing I want to point out is the keyless go system that you get on this car. So you have a lock button on all four handles on all four doors. When you go to grab that, there's a sensor on the inside of the handle that unlocks the vehicle, so you never actually even need to use the key. Now take a look at this beautiful interior. This is very unique color. This comes in a brown leather with a black contrast stitching. That black matches the exterior color, gives it a really good look, kind of ties everything together. And now you'll see this brown leather continued on the side of the doors, the seats as well. This interior is in amazing condition. No major scrapes, scratches, or tears on the seats or doors or any piece of the inside of the vehicle. So let's hop in, take it for a spin. Now that we're inside the E350, a few things I want to point out. We'll go over some features on the interior of the vehicle, but right away you'll see this panoramic sunroof. You have two big pieces of glass up top, and if you'd like to close it, all you have to do is hit that switch and those cloth covers close up, block out that sun for you. So to put the car in drive, all you have to do is push down on the gear selector like so. We'll take a little tour around the dealership here. I'll go over some features on the vehicle. There's a lot of optional extras in this car, a lot of things that make it very unique, and we'll start right away with this parking system. So this car does have PARKTRONIC. It can park itself. The car can search for spots, but what you'll see when you put the car into reverse is this 360 camera that's a part of the PARKTRONIC system. Gives you a bird's eye view of the top of your car, makes maneuvering it through the city, parking garages, things like that, a lot easier. And we'll also see a part of our PARKTRONIC system are these parking sensors. You have one bar up front and one in the back, and that will illuminate orange, and the bars will fill up as you get closer and closer to whatever you're pulling up to, whether it's a curb, the wall in your garage, a spot in the parking garage. It just makes the car and parking it much less stressful. A lot of other great features on this vehicle. I'll start with some other safety ones. We'll see the blind spot assist in your door mirror, so you have that glowing triangle that will let you know when a car is coming up along your rear panel. This car does have active brake assist, so it will help you brake in emergency situations. Some other features that are really nice, which really kind of just make this car a beautiful car to be in. We have our heated seats as well as our ventilated seats, so pump some nice cool air through the back. It's a fabulous feature to have. We have dual zone climate control for both the driver and the passenger, and you can change your fan speed. All of that is controlled right down here. Incredibly smooth car, very easy to drive, great on the highway, is quiet as can be. It's got a 3-liter V6 up front, produces 300 horsepower, so you are never lacking in the speed department. So Nancy, if you have any other questions about this vehicle, I'd be happy to answer them for you. You can call me directly on my cell phone. The number is 207-210-4796. Or if you'd like, you can email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching, Nancy. I hope you enjoyed.